Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you how I make my concoction rice. It's so simple, easy to put together, and above all very delicious. And if you are new here, you are highly welcome. My name is Rebecca. Please do not forget to click on that subscribe button and also turn on your notifications so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you. For the ingredients, I'll be using red bell pepper, onions, fresh tomatoes, Scotch bonnet pepper, seasoning cube, bonga, dried mackerel fish, crayfish, cooking oil, salt, and above all the rice. And to start with, I will go ahead to roughly blend the peppers and the crayfish. And do not forget to check out the list of ingredients in the description box down below. And to my old and new subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching my videos. May God richly bless you all. So next, I will add the washed rice into the pot, followed with the washed bonga, the fish, the roughly blended minced pepper and crayfish. So guys, this is what I cook most times when I don't know what to cook or I'm very tired, and it's very easy to put together. Then the seasoning cube and salt. And after that, I will add water. Then mix everything to combine. And after mixing, I will add cooking oil. Then I will cover to cook. At this point, I'll go ahead and check the rice. So this is a stage where you check if your rice still needs some seasoning cube or salt. So you know how to adjust it. Now the rice is not soft yet, then I go ahead and add a little bit of water, then cover to cook for about 5 minutes. So now concoction rice is ready. Guys, this concoction rice was so delicious, and everyone in my house was asking for more. My hubby, my kids, they were like, "Mommy, this rice is so delicious." So guys, come, let's eat. The table is set. And that is one thing I love about concoction rice. It's very quick and easy to put together. And if you enjoyed this recipe, please do not forget to like, share, and leave a comment. Subscribe if you have not yet. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.